Do you want to get your stones colored for your special project? Then come learn with me how I do it. So come, let's see what all things we will be needing for this project. So first of all, you will need a pair of gloves so that you don't dirty your hands. Then we will need some disposable container. A glass would be ideal. An ice cream stick to mix all the stones and color. This is pigment binder. I bought this from Tulsi Resin store. You can also use varnish for this. And this is mica powder. You will need a dry pigment, whether shiny or matte, but the pigment needs to be dry. So I'll be using 2 shades of mica powder to get my desired colors. And you will be needing stones. I surprisingly bought this from a fish dealer. These are aquarium stones. You can use any type of stones or glass that you like. So I'm just taking a little bit of mica powder and pouring it in the glass. Don't use too scarce, otherwise your stones will become translucent. So I'm just mixing the two pigments together first, and then I'm adding the binder. A few squeezes will be enough. Make sure you add the binder before you add the stones. So first make the liquid color and then add all the stones. So I didn't get my desired color that I wanted, so I'm just using another shade of mica powder. This was also bought from Tulsi Resin store. And I put all the stones in the glass. So I just put too much stones. I just filled the glass completely with stones. But I would advise you that you just take some stones first and then mix the pigment into it and then keep on adding more stones as you go. Because I filled the glass completely, I was not able to mix it, and then I transferred half of the stones into other glass and I started mixing. I also changed the ice cream stick from a smaller one to a bigger stick. Just make sure that you mix it very thoroughly. So all the stones are now mixed and I'll be adding the rest of the stones. So I still thought that my stones were a little translucent, so I added some more pigment. When you gradually add more stones, the pigment from the lower stone will transfer into the above ones. Don't use too much binder. The pigment binder liquid should be less in quantity. Otherwise your stones will be dripping their color off. You don't want that. You just want the color to coat the stones. If you have any doubts or suggestions for me, then you can write them in the comments below and I'll make sure to reply them. So this is a transparent seal king bag. You can take any transparent plastic that you wish and just lay the stones down on that. Spread it well, make sure that they don't stick to each other. They have sufficient gap. As you can see, there was some color left in my glass, so I just took some more stones, mixed them in the glass and then poured them as well. So there was still some liquid left in the glass, so I just poured some more stones and then also poured them in the sheet. I am a resin artist based in Kolkata, India, and if you are interested in buying my artwork, then you can follow me on Instagram and contact me there. Let them dry for at least 1 to 2 hours before you decide to use them. If you are using them in resin, then they should be dried very well so that they don't bleed the color into your resin project. So they've stuck a little bit onto the sheet, so you can just take them out by hand and these are all ready to be used. So I'm just filling them up in my glass because I want to use them for a clock. So I'll be just showing you the clock in few seconds, so stay tuned for the end results. So this is how I use my stones. I've used them to create the border of a pink clock. If you found the video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.